Hey everyone! Thinking of starting your own brand but not sure where to begin? In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a powerful brand from scratch, step by step. Whether it's for a product, service, or personal brand, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your brand purpose. Ask yourself, why does your brand exist? What problem do you solve? Who do you help? A strong purpose builds a strong foundation. Example: Nike isn't just about shoes, it's about inspiring athletes. Step 2. Know your target audience. You can't build a brand for everyone. Narrow down your audience, their age, interests, problems, and what they care about. Tip: create a simple customer persona to stay focused. Step 3. Create a unique brand identity. Your logo, colors, fonts, and voice should all feel consistent. Choose a name, design your visuals, and create a tone that reflects your personality. Tip: use tools like Canva or Looka for logo and branding kits. Step 4. Tell your brand story. People connect with stories, not just products. Share your journey, mission, and values in a way that resonates with your audience. Tip: keep it real and relatable. Step 5. Build a presence. Get on social media, start a website or launch a blog. Share valuable content and engage with your audience regularly. Consistency builds trust. Step 6. Deliver on your promise. Your brand isn't just what you say, it's what people experience. Make sure your service, product, and customer support align with your brand values. That's how you build a brand from scratch. Define your purpose, know your audience, craft your identity, and stay consistent. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more branding and business tips. What's your brand idea? Drop it in the comments.